MLRS. US-manufactured HIMARS and M-270 MLRS have been The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 78 artillery units at their firing positions, as well as manpower and military equipment in 105 areas. US-manufactured HIMARS and M-270 MLRS have been destroyed near Kramatorsk of Donetsk People's Republic. 3 Ukrainian ordnance depots have been destroyed near Malinovka, Avdeyevka of Donetsk People's Republic and Druzhelyubovka of Zaporozhye region. Aerospace Forces Aviation has destroyed 135 D6 detection radar and 1 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-37 counterbattery warfare radar near Malokaterinovka of Zaporozhye region. Air defense facilities have shot down 4 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS MLRS and 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Golikovo, Kremenaya of Lugansk People's Republic, Berostovoye of Kharkov region and Peshchanoye of Kherson region. In total, 381 airplanes, 206 helicopters, 3,001 unmanned aerial vehicles, 402 air defense missile systems, 7,719 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,003 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 3,981 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!